Tensions continue to rise in Crimea ahead of a referendum in which residents of the Black Sea Peninsula will be asked if they want to join the Russian Federation. Intimidation and fear appear to be playing key roles in events, with pro-Russian vigilante groups out on the streets alongside the Russian soldiers who have occupied the area. Vyacheslav Devchuk, a 21-year-old unemployed resident of Simferopol, says he was pistol-whipped and beaten by armed and masked men when he went to help 3 Ukrainian soldiers who were on the ground and being kicked. A propaganda battle is also being played out, with Ukrainian news channels reportedly taken off-air or replaced by Russian programming. But residents who want Crimea to remain part of Ukraine have tried to make their voices heard in spite of the Kremlin's scare tactics.
Actually, I work in both Crimea and Ukraine. I work in all the regions of Ukraine. I'll try to find the ways to sort out this issue. Why would I need all the bureaucracy and the documentation that might arise and vice versa? It would be better if all this was simple. Independence, who needs it?
Anxiety is also high amongst Tatars, who say they will not take up arms but worry about what might happen if Russia annexes Crimea.
People understand that either they go to the referendum or not. Everything is decided. If it is taking place down the barrel of a gun, everything is decided. Either we express our opinion or not. There will be no difference. The opinion that is considered to be the majority should be without threat and aggression.
Russia has promised safety to all of the region's ethnic minorities, but memories are still fresh of 1944, when Soviet dictator Joseph Stalin deported the entire Crimean Tatar population to Central Asia.
If we follow the Moscow plan, it will mean that the whole world has become powerless in the face of injustice and the power of arms, that the whole international rights order has fallen, that the power of international decrees, multi-sided agreements, memoranda, declarations, the power of the dual agreement between Russia and Ukraine, that all has collapsed instantaneously.
The international community has branded this Sunday's referendum a breach of international law and has called on Russia to withdraw its troops from Crimea, threatening tough sanctions if the Kremlin fails to comply.